Hello everyone. So today we are going to be installing a junction box connected to this wire for this dishwasher here. So let's begin how to install a Bosch, because I have a Bosch dishwasher here. So I'm going to be installing a Bosch junction box, and I have already made a hole here in the end, you can see there. So that's where the wirings will come out, and here is where I'm going to be installing the junction box. So let's see what is covered in this box. So here, if you can see here, power cord with junction box, and you have this extra bolt that needs to be tied on the other side. And it's a very simple box. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, so if I open this box, I see the junction boxes here. This is the connector and an instruction manual. This is interesting. So what it says is click. So the plug has to go inside the dishwasher altogether. Ensure power cord is fully seated. So it has to go inside and there should be a click noise. So to install this junction box, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to open these 4 screws. So remove the 4 screws here, and I'm going to open this. And you see here, there are 3 cables, black, white, and green. So here I'm going to take the 3 cables, attach it here, and we'll take it from there. And guys, before you do any installation, just make sure your main power is turned off from the main connector for these electrical outlet, so that you don't get a power shock. So here I'm going to use a tester to check if the naked wire is connected or turned off. As you can see here, it's turned off, so I am good to continue. So here I'm pulling the Romex cable from the hole, because this under the sink is where I'm going to install the junction box, and that's where all my connections would be here. So with my Phillips screwdriver, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these 3 screws, and the black hot wire would go with the black cable, the white would go with the white, and the naked would go here with the green one. Since my junction box came with a strain reliever, I'm going to use a strain reliever to install it here. So the wire actually goes inside this tray from the strain reliever here, and I will lock it here. So as you can see here, I have connected the black hot wire with the black wire, the white with the white, the bare copper with the green one, and I have joined this with the screwdriver as well. And here I have tightened this, so we are good to go. This is my main power coming in, and this is where the junction box connects, and that is going to go on my dishwasher on the back side of the dishwasher. So let's connect it and see how it works. But this is what basically is. I just have to do one more thing. There is a cover for this junction box. So I'm going to, with the Phillips screwdriver, there are 4 screws. I'm just going to cover this so everything is packed in a box. And you can see here there are 4 screws as well, which I can even tie in on the wall of my cabinet under my sink. So as you can see, I was able to mount the junction box here on my cabinet wall, and I have put the gray wire, which is going to be connected to the dishwasher, from the hole to the other side. So here it is, and it's ready to be connected to my dishwasher here.